All right, hello everybody. Welcome to Motorcycles and Malamutes. I know a lot of times I have my dog in some of these videos, but today it's all about the motorcycle. Just going to take a winter ride, as you can see, or maybe you can't see, but it is raining, it's cold, and really the idea is this still going to be fun? So let's go for a ride. Let's see if this is a good time or a bad idea. Alright, the idea around this video was that it was Sunday, it was pouring down rain, and I'm like, I want to go for a ride, but is it actually going to be fun in the rain? And is a ride in the rain better than no ride at all? That really is the question. So, and honestly, I didn't have a good answer, so I figured I'd just go for the ride right through the rain. And in this particular section, it's not pouring down rain, but I can tell you there were times during this ride that it was absolutely dumping. So that's what this was all about. Alright, so on this particular journey, I am wearing my Built rain pants. The brand is Built, B-I-L-T, and it's available at Cycle Gear and or Revzilla. These particular overpants were perfect. I stayed totally dry on the bottom half. On the top half, I didn't wear my riding jacket because it had some leaks the last couple times I went out in the rain. So I wore just a plain old rain jacket over my regular jacket, and that rain jacket ended up not working either. So yeah, we'll still have some work to do for the top, but there you go. I'm unsure if I'm actually having a good time because it's wet and cold, but let's do some exploring, shall we? Let's go for a ride. I'm on the DRZ today because it's comfortable and I don't care if it gets dirty or anything like that. Pretty much the perfect bike for a day like today. So let's go see what we can see. Get muddy. Woo. All right. Slippery this is going to be. I'm going to get so dirty. not going to look like anything on the video, but it is super slippery. So let's go ahead and spin her around in the snow. Not too bad. Now I'm second guessing, but nah. We're done. Alright, and this is a free blooper video that I'm leaving in because I thought it was funny that the camera fell over for no reason whatsoever. Hi camera. Hi camera. Let's wipe you off. Sorry, buddy. So this video is me headed home. It was actually pouring down rain during this section, but I will just end this video by saying, overall, was it worth it? Was the ride worth it? I got uncomfortable a few times. I did get cold, but yes, I had a good time.
Suko.
Hi, buddy.
Did you stay dry?
Suko's dry. He's sleepy.